Today unboxing is on the latest Tomica Limited Vintage Neo release, and that's the pair of Honda Civic EF with the Diorama 64 collection. This is the second box set in the Diorama 64 series. The very first box set was the Mitsubishi Pajero. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's take a closer look at the 89 Honda Civic EF 25XT. Very excited to unbox it. Wow, needless to say, this is an awesome Honda Civic EF. Details and quality are taken coming from TLV. Intricate details in true 1:64 scale. Very nice paint job that comes in high gloss black with a pearl finish that makes the Civic looks very premium. Details on the front are highly realistic and simply amazing, which also includes the interior. Thank goodness it already comes pre-installed with the side mirror, so you do not have to install anything yourself. On the rear is equally awesome with the Civic logo type and also the highly realistic rear lights. Like the Honda logo on the realistic wheel set, it's just like the real Civic strung down in the scale of 1:64. Next, the Diorama Collection 64. This time in the car wash theme. Mini figurines are now extremely popular among collectors, and it's pretty tough to find a good figurine in 1:64 scale, and TLV deliver high quality mini figurines. You can already see the actual content on the front. At the side of the box, I assume it features a family of 3, the father and the 2 kids. I shall now remove them out of the blister. One of the very best Honda Civic EF from Tomica Limited Vintage. I'm very glad I got this. This Civic is a true Japanese nostalgic car, and TLV totally nails it. Just like the very first box set with the Golden Retriever, this time it comes with a tiny cat and is perfect for any of your Diorama 64 setup. The boy with the BMX bicycle is pretty cool as well. Pose is pretty generic. It can be used for various Diorama setup and many stories to tell. This BMX is highly detailed and awesome. It's made of plastic, so it's very fragile, so be careful of that. Sadly, it comes in maneuver, but it looks great in photo shoot. Next, the little girl. Although highly detailed, the pose is pretty limited. Her arm is reaching for the cat that is asleep, but there are still various poses that we can make out to tell a story. The other one is the father or the man that loves his Civic. He's cleaning the car with a sponge. And not just the Civic, he can pass very well with any of the 164 mini cars. The tiny water hose for cleaning, the pail with highly realistic paint, outdoor tap and sink. I never see these in my area, especially in the 90s. Maybe it's only Japan. And finally, the star of the show, the Honda Civic EF in red. Very cool. I'm very excited to have this Civic. I think this is the best ever from TLV. Civic are very iconic in white and in red. The stock EF is very simple and it totally delivers what collectors want. The body comes in primary color red in high gloss finish. Not just highly detailed on the rear, this Civic is just awesome with highly realistic details in 1:64. What I'm very impressed is the very clean panel lining. It's really a very nice job done by TLV. Thankfully, the side mirror is already pre-installed, and this Civic is definitely an all-rounder. TLV makes a very good call by releasing this iconic Civic together with the Diorama 64 collection box set, and I'm very positive that this box set will work perfectly with any 164 Diorama setting. More TLV unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!